Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about few amazing updates in Figma. So let's start one by one. So for example, I'll draw here a frame, okay? And for example, we have here a button or something maybe, like any element and okay. Okay, one. So, for example, you click on this frame, and then you try to just increase the width of the frame. Then you see that when there is an equal distance is there, then it shows you. See, when it's making like the width is like 223 pixel and 223 pixel both sides, then it is showing you the distance, the value. Okay, same thing if you do like this. See, this helps you to get your element right inside the right in the center of the frame. Okay, so this is the first update, and now if I delete it, okay, so the second update is, for example, I just wrote a text here, and then I'll go to my font style option, okay, and when you hover on these options, the different font style, so you can see that it's showing me the preview in my design itself. Okay, so I don't have to apply it first and then it is going to show me. So here, before applying also, you can see, you can just get the preview of the font and then you can apply it directly. So I feel that this update saves your time also. So yeah, this is the second update, and the next one is when you try to add a comment. Okay, so here if you see that there they have this image option also. So here it's showing that upload up to 5 images and GIFs. So you can also upload image along with your comment. So yeah, these were the updates, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.